guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making for you guys oven roast Cornish hen, so please stick around and watch this video. Our ingredients to make the Cornish hen: we have Badia complete seasoning, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, we got chicken flavor seasoning, season up, Maggie season up, and we got allspice, we got sazon, and we got onion and fresh thyme, and we got some melted butter. So these are our ingredients for the Cornish hen. First, I'm gonna start by seasoning the hen. I'm gonna add the seasoning to the melted butter, and I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of this seasoning, half of garlic powder, and 2 of this chicken seasoning. We're gonna add just a teaspoon of allspice, and we're just gonna add this on top of the chicken. Now we're just gonna give this a mix, combine everything together. Just combining the seasoning. Oh my god, this look and smells so good. So now we're just gonna add this. We're gonna add, and first, before you start cooking your chicken, you wanna wash your chicken. Ensure that your chicken is washed inside the cavities, inside out. You wanna wash this, take off with some lime and vinegar. You just wanna make sure your chicken is clean. Wash your chicken before cooking. And you're just gonna brush this on the top of the chicken like this. You want to ensure all parts of the chicken have this seasoning, inside out, under the skin, inside the chicken. You want to ensure everywhere gets some of this seasoning, inside, everywhere. And now we're just gonna add our Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning's got parsley, onion flakes, ground pepper, and a lot more herbs and spices. And this is what's gonna give it a lot of flavor. So I add about a tablespoon of that. See? Chicken is nicely seasoned. See that? Inside out, under the skin, everywhere it can think to season. You season this chicken inside out, as I said before. And now we're just gonna add the season to give it some color. If you got paprika, you can use paprika. This is what's gonna give it a beautiful color. Nice. And now I'm just gonna add the fresh thyme, the onion, and the garlic inside. Just gonna add this inside of the hen. Just gonna add this inside of the hen to give it lots of flavor. You don't have to put this in there, but it adds lots more flavor. Okay, so what we're doing now. So see, beautiful color. We're just gonna put this aside for about 20 minutes, just to let the chicken soak up all this good stuff, all the good seasoning and flavor. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna let this soak up. While the chicken is soaking, I'm just gonna go ahead and preheat the oven on 375 degrees. It has been 20 minutes, and now we're just gonna tie up this leg. I'm gonna tie up the hen leg. You can skip this part if you want. We're just gonna tie it with a string. We're like giving the chicken a handcuff. Simple as that. It's like making a knot. And then after we do that, we're just gonna put the chicken wings behind. Just gonna fold it like that. Just like that. See? Nice chicken. Then we're just gonna put it into our thing that we're gonna bake it in, whether you use a foil. Oh my god, this is pulling away back. You don't want to be handcuffed, right? I guess this chicken don't want to be handcuffed. Okay, so let me try and tie this back again. Okay, so let me see you get out of this now. Let me see. So we're just gonna put this into the oven for an hour and 15 minutes, and then we're gonna cover it too. We're gonna put it in there, cover, and then when it maybe reach down to the 15 minutes, we take off the cover and let it have some color. After an hour into the oven, this is what it looked like, and now we're just gonna base it. Just gonna use this at the bottom to base it, and then we're gonna put it back into the oven for 15-30 minutes, for another 15 minutes. So just getting all the juice and flavors on it. Now we're just gonna put it back into the oven uncovered. We're not gonna cover it this time in the oven. Just let it cook for another 15 minutes. And 15 minutes, guys, and this is the finished product. The Ovenroast Cornish Hen is done, guys. Look at this beautiful color, and the smell is amazing, guys. Now I'm just gonna take a taste test. I'm not gonna keep you any longer. Just gonna take a taste test. I'm just gonna eat the leg. Okay, let me get the scissors. I already reached this far into the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So I'm take this part off. Look how juicy that is. Let me see if you guys look how juicy this is. Oh my god, this is falling off the bone, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Just gonna take a taste test. Maya. Oh my god. So juicy and flavorful. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.